What does the future of humanity look like? Why the scale and where are we currently on it? If you want to discover mysterious questions like this, then subscribe to this channel and press bell icon for future videos. Imagine a world where we could control everything on the planet Earth. We could influence the weather, control volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, influence global flora and fauna. Literally anything, ranging from the weather to deciding the speed of the Earth spinning on its own axis. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Honestly, is this kind of Earth really that hard to imagine based on the current technology we have? No, it is not. Let us present to you the Kardashev scale. The scale was originally designed in 1964 by the Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, who was looking for signs of extraterrestrial life. As he explored and gathered more information on the topic, he came up with a very interesting explanation for all of this. He wrote a 5-page paper published in 1964 called Transmission of Information by Extraterrestrial Civilizations. We have essentially reached a crucial turning point in the existence of humankind. According to renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, the next 100 years of our advancement in science will determine whether we perish or thrive. According to several experts and Kardashev himself, the level of a civilization is based on the amount of energy harnessed by that civilization. As a civilization grows larger and becomes more advanced, its energy demands will increase rapidly due to its population growth and the energy requirements of its various machines. This determines the level of a civilization. The scale was developed as a way of measuring a civilization's technological advancement. Let's give you a visual to understand the different levels that we are talking about. The levels of civilization are broadly classified on how much usable energy a civilization has at its disposal. Let's find out by understanding the different types. Type 1, planetary civilizations. This refers to those that have developed the means to harness and store all of their home planet's energy. This is where we're heading, whether we want it or not. The good part would be that we'd achieve an ultimate peak. The bad part is that we'd then soon have more energy demand than supply. Regardless, becoming a Type I civilization is overall a good thing. Type 2, stellar civilizations. These are civilizations that have evolved to the point where they could harvest all the energy emitted by their star, which Kardashev speculated would likely involve a structure like a Dyson sphere. This is the next stage in the evolution of a civilization and presumes a level of technological development that allows for gigantic constructions and utmost efficiency. Imagine a Type 2 civilization would not just build these megastructures above, but also inhabit them and completely control what goes on inside them. It would control the orbit of all planets in that system, harvest asteroids and comets at its leisure, and basically consume the entire solar system. Type 3, galactic civilizations. These are civilizations that would be able to harness the energy of an entire galaxy. Such a civilization would use planets like building blocks, being able to move planets from one solar system to another, merge solar systems, merge stars, absorb supernovae, and even create stars. The galaxy is their playground, and everything in it becomes a toy. After this are the civilizations that were proposed by various other astronomers, not originally on the Kardashev scale. Type 4, a universal civilization. This civilization would be supergalactic, able to travel throughout the entire universe and consume the energy output of several, possibly all galaxies. It would also be able to perform great tasks like manipulating space-time and tinkering with entropy, thus reaching immortality on a grand scale. Type 5, a multiversal culture, capable of harnessing the energy of multiple universes. Yup, that's it. Because we have no other information on such a civilization. Where do we lie on this scale? And in how many years can you expect such a civilization? That's a good question, and the answer to that is, we aren't even on the scale yet. Though some astronomers believe that we are around a 0.7, considering a Type I civilization to be 1.0, it is widely accepted that we are a lowly Type 0 civilization that isn't even close to harnessing all of our Earth's power. But mind it, We will be in another 100 to 200 years, says Michio Kaku, an American physicist. We already have AI humanoid robots launched by Elon Musk. Sounds like he's on track to proving our theory of the Type V civilization. He owns the leading companies in space technology, SpaceX, autonomous vehicles, Tesla, and underground transportation, the Boring Company. He has his hand in the most disruptive ideas on the planet, which have the potential to change how the world works on a daily basis. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe and press bell icon for future videos.